In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create a customized booking link using the Fresha dashboard. This process is great for streamlining your appointments and sharing your schedule easily with clients, friends, or team members. So let's dive in and explore how you can do this with just a few clicks. First, start by navigating to your Fresha dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. From this menu, look for the option labeled Online Booking. This icon resembles a contact book, making it easy to spot. Clicking on it will take you to the next step of our process, where you can set up your online booking functionalities. Next, you'll want to click on the Link Builder. This option is also located on that same left-hand toolbar, and it serves as a crucial tool for customizing the way your clients can schedule appointments with you. It's quite user-friendly, and once you're there, you'll have the foundation necessary for creating your personalized booking link. Now, under the section labeled Link to Services, click on the Create Link button. This is where the fun part begins. Here you have the opportunity to tailor-make the booking link to suit your specific needs. You can customize various aspects, such as the location where you'll be accepting appointments, the team members available for services, and the specific services you offer. Being able to fine-tune these details ensures that your clients have all the information they need when booking with you. After you've taken the time to adjust and personalize each aspect to your liking, you're ready to finalize everything by clicking Create Link in the top right corner of the page. This action will generate your unique booking link, consolidating all the information you've just set up. Now here comes the final and perhaps the most exciting part. Once your link is created, simply click on it to copy it to your clipboard. With your link in hand, you can now share it effortlessly to everyone you need, be it via email, social media, or even embedding it on your website. Distributing your link ensures that clients can book appointments with you seamlessly. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating and sharing a customized booking link through the Fresha dashboard. Not only does this streamline your scheduling process, but it also enhances the booking experience for anyone looking to work with you. I hope you found this guide helpful. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for tuning in, and happy booking!